Now let's talk about the Scrum roles. So as you go into Jira, Jira does not enforce any role. It does not. But the different people that use Jira use it to do different things. So all of these three Scrum roles can have their specific features in Jira. Although Jira doesn't necessarily say this is how a Scrum Master should use it versus a developer, for example. But you can go in, for example, as a developer, and you can start adding the type of versions, if it's a fix, hot fix, stuff like that. The BA could do that too, or the PO. The Scrum Master definitely looking at the burn down chart, other things like that. The product owner is prioritizing the backlog. So everything that you need to do can be done in Jira, although they do not prescribe anything in particular. Hi guys, I hope you are enjoying the video so far, but let me take a minute to introduce you to the Refinement Notebook. So this is my Refinement Notebook. As you can see, it is quite large. It's 8.5 by 11 and it's hardcover. So you have something to press on. But the beauty of this notebook is that it has all the sections to help you stay focused and be productive in your refinement calls. So here you can put your user stories, then you put your discussion topics, then you have your major decisions and blockers that will go right here. But most importantly, you have your action items. What are all the things you need to do coming out of this call, and who's the owner of it? Very, very important. And at the bottom of every page, I have these messages that would help you stay focused and motivated as you go through your refinement session. So go to Amazon.com and get this refinement notebook. I will put the link in the description below, and I hope you enjoy it. Now back to the video. For any of these roles, the product owner, the Scrum Master, the development team, developers, QA, they can perform their job roles very well in Jira, although Jira doesn't dictate a particular role and doesn't restrict you from doing something else if that's not under your, let's say, your access role. They don't dictate that at all, but it's all doable in Jira. The product owner is typically going into Jira to prioritize the backlog and look at the user stories. The Scrum Master is in there looking at how the sprint is progressing, looking at the reports, the burn down chart, for example. The developers are in there understanding the user story, looking at the user story, moving things into different buckets or different statuses to say whether it's done, it's in progress, it's ready to be QA'd. The QA person is in there creating bugs, commenting back to the developer or the business analyst or the product owner, and changing statuses and looking at things that are being deployed and things like that. So everybody's role can be performed in Jira without it being restricted to that role.